Lesibhedlela isibhedlela esidala kakhulu esasiwile sangakwazi kodwa njengohulumeni ukusivuselela ngenxa yokuthi lokho kuthatha izimali eziningi kakhulu. So uma ngabe ke sekuvunyelwana kwasekwakhiwa itrust kusuka ngo2010 and yona trust ke esize ibambisene nomnyango wezempilo ukuthi sizivuselele lesibhedlela. Uma usibuka isibhedlela manje sesilungiswe close to 60% wesibhedlela kodwa ngoba izimali esizisebenzisa imali eqhamuka kuhulumeni na kwi-private sector silungisa ngama phases lesi sibhedlela. Sijabula kakhulu ke ukuthi sesafika lapha esifike khona. Namhlanje uNdunankulu besimhambisa simkhombisa i-psychiatric noma i-psychiatric center yesibhedlela lapho okuzobhekelelwa noma kusetshenzwe khona izigulo zonke zezengqondo. Siyakujabulela lokho ngoba kuyinto ecindizelayo noma ekhombisayo uNdunankulu ukuthi sikunakekele kakhulu ukuphila kwabantu ngokwengqondo. Ingakho sithi uma sikhuluma nemphakathi sithi ukuphila ngokwengqondo kuyinto ebalekile. Akufanele futhi ukuphila ngokwengqondo kulesikhathi samanje noma ukugula ngokwengqondo kulabo abagulayo sikubukele phansi futhi sihlekise ngakho. We are struggling, Premier, to retain our registrars once they've qualified, purely because sometimes there's not enough of them, but there's also not enough posts. Kodwa ke the biggest issue is money, and we really need them, but we really struggle to retain because we don't offer what the private sector offers. They go to private sector. And we train, it's us who train, not the private sector, and immediately we lose them. So, I'm so happy to see young women who are so excited. And to get someone who comes from private sector back in.
Yes.
Ms. Love, it was 2 years ago when we started your online.
Yes.
So, about 2 years ago, she started posting online about mental health, and she made it very vibrant.
And now 2,000 followers.
Yes, so we are very excited about that because abanye abantwana are unable to come to us or in but they look at her, she's young, she's vibey, she makes it look cool, ukhuluma ngayo and they relate. So we encourage it.
This is social work. It's a package, psychosocial support. Both the parents, the guidance, the families, because even the parents, when the child is being treated, the parents are also taken through training when they graduate. In them graduating, they've got to deal with these all issues, stigmas and everything in the society. So they take them through in all that to cope.